Dear students, subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon button for the latest notifications. Very good morning to all my dear students. My name is Rajneesh and I welcome to you all once again on for the online classes on Master G Rajneesh Tyagi. Dear students, today we are going for the next paragraph of the chapter This Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Here we go. That year we lived at the edge of town. At that time, Aaron and his cousin, they were living at the edge of town. It means they were living in a town, on Walnut Avenue. And the name of the town is Walnut Avenue, where those two boys were living. Behind our house was the country. Behind our house was the country. Country does not mean here that particular country. It is the meaning of the country here, a village, a town, like. Yes, so behind our house was the country, and the Walnut Avenue was situated behind of those people house. Okay, and where in that house, oh sorry, in that village, you can easily find out the vineyards. Vineyards means angur ki bel, angur ki peड़, orchards, orchards, फल, irrigation ditches, and for irrigations of the plants facilities was also available there, and country roads, and you can also see and can easily find out the roads over here. In less than 3 minutes we were on Olive Avenue, and within a 3 minutes within 3 minutes they were reached at Olive Avenue, and then the horse began to trot. Trot means running very fast, and then the horse was running very fast, and the air was new and lovely to breathe, and they were feeling so good. The breathing of those people were wonderful, and the air was fresh because they were riding on the horse, and the horse was riding very fast, and because of that the air of that place was beautiful. The feel of that the feel of the horse running was wonderful, and it was a memorable moment in those life, in the life of those people, because it was going to be very first time when they were riding on a horse, and that horse was going to provide them a wonderful moment of the life. So where they were happy, they were having some pleasure in the life. My cousin Murad, who was considered one of the craziest member of our family, began to sing. And I must tell you here, everybody, that my cousin Murad, he is basically known for his craziness, and he started singing. I mean, he began to roar, and you cannot see. You
It
can't
would
say that
not
he was
become
a wonderful
stealing until
singer.
we
He
offer to
was
sell
just
the
trying to be
horse,
begin
which of
roaring,
course I knew
like
we would
you
never
have seen
do, and
many
I know
times
very well
in
that
the
we are not
cartoon
going to
show
sell
of
this horse at
Doraemon,
any cost,
where
so we cannot say that
Jian
it's a
used to
kind
sing
of a
like
stealing.
that.
Let me put
मैं
on some
हूँ
clothes, I said. And then
जियान,
I said, oh, well, let
मैं
me
हूँ बड़ा
wore
ताकतवर, मेरा
some
गला
clothes.
है
I have
सबसे
to put on
सुरीला,
some clothes
जिसे
on my
सुन के
body.
लोग हो
All
जाते
right,
हैं
he said, but
मदहोश.
hurry. He said, okay, okay,
So
get
he was
ready,
doing
but
like
come
that, and
fast.
he was
I
roaring.
leaped into my clothes, and I wore
Every
my clothes very
family
well. I
has a
jumped down to
crazy
the yard
streak in it
from the window
somewhere,
and leaped
and
up onto the
every
horse
family
behind my
has
cousin
a
Murad,
person like
and
that.
I
Perhaps
went
you may also
to
have
sit behind
a
of my cousin
character in your
Murad on the
family like
horse,
that Murad.
and we were
And my
ready to
cousin
go
Murad was
somewhere.
considered the
So,
natural
according to that
descendant of the
boy,
crazy
Aram,
streak and
he
of crime.
is explaining here
Descendant
that
means
the Murad has
Vanshaj,
brought or
members of
Murad
the
has
family. And
stolen that horse because
Murad
of
is basically
the
known
riding.
for
So we
in our
cannot say it is
tribe
a kind
one
of
of
the
the craziest person, one of the
stealing. Okay,
funny
we
person,
cannot say
and
he's a thief.
mischievous
So if
person, you can
we are
say.
going to
Before
sell
him
this horse
was our uncle
to someone
Koshro,
because of the
and
money,
before
then we can
Murad, I
say,
would
okay,
say
it is a
that
kind of a
Koshro, our
stealing.
uncle,
Otherwise,
he was
it's not
also
a
the
stealing.
craziest person, an
It's
enormous man with a powerful
for the
head of
fun, I think. And
black hair,
then
and the
Murad
head of that
and
person,
Aram
head of that
went
uncle, was
to
very strong, where
outside of
the
the
you can
house,
easily find out
and
the black hair on
Aram
his
was
head,
sitting behind the
and
Murad. We
the
will discuss
largest
the further
monster in
incidents and the further
the
paragraph
San Jackson Valley,
tomorrow.
and
Till then,
he
take care.
was
Have a
also
great day, and
having the
also
very good
subscribe and like
mustache
this
on his
channel.
face. A man
God
so
bless you. Bye.
furious. A furious means ugro, a tempered person. He, so he was very furious in temper, so irritable, and he was not a happy person. He was not having any kind of the smile on his face. He was always irritable. He was always in the furious temper, so impatient that stopped anyone from talking by roaring. and he used to stop to everyone talking like that. It is no harm, pay no attention to it. Why are you doing this? Just sit down here, go to your bed, do your study. He used to scold to everyone in the house. That was the character of the uncle, Khosrow. So Aram is going to explaining here that Murari is one of the funniest and the craziest person known in their family. And before Murad, the uncle of that person, Khosrow, he was also supposed to be like that, but he was impatient also. He was furious. He was irritable. He was very different kind of the personality they had in their family, who used to stop by his roaring to everyone. It is no harm, no pay, no tension to it. It was a famous dialogue of that person. He used to say to all the person in the family, it is no harm, pay no attention to it. It was the famous dialogue of that person. So dear students, it was the explanation of the day, this chapter, and take interest, because you will have to explain all the things in the classroom and in the videos also, because very soon I will start your presentation round through video. You will make your own videos and then you will send to me. So please take lectures seriously and give answers in the comment box. You have a great day. God bless you. Bye bye.